Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back into science class. I hope you might have completed previous chapters. Now we'll start new chapter acids, bases and salt. So we use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, vinegar, etc. Do they have the same taste? No. You find that some taste bitter, some taste sweet, some taste salty, some taste sour. So, some substances which we use in our daily life are curd, lemon juice, vinegar, orange juice. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. Acids are substances that taste sour and are corrosive in nature. Now again one question arises here. Now what does corrosive means? It means acids turn items rust. It turns blue litmus paper into red. Some common acids are acetic acid found in vinegar, formic acid found in ant sting, citric acid found in citrus fruits such as oranges, lemon, amla, etc. Lactic acid found in curd, oxalic acid found in spinach, ascorbic acid. The another name of ascorbic acid is vitamin C and it is found in amla, citrus fruits. Tartaric acid found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. And here remember one thing, acids turn blue litmus paper into red. So what about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has no acids in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soapy. Substances like this, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, are known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. Base turns red litmus paper into blue. Remember, bases turns red litmus paper into blue. Now some common bases are calcium hydroxide, generally found in lime water, ammonium hydroxide found in window cleaner, oven cleaner, sodium hydroxide, or you can say potassium hydroxide found in soap, magnesium hydroxide found in milk of magnesia. Once again, bases turns red litmus paper into blue. As you know, we cannot taste every substances. So how do we find its nature? Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. So the indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or basic. Some natural substances are turmeric, litmus, your China rose, then lichens, red cabbage, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve, or you can say purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Plants or plant parts contain useful chemicals that are used for testing an acidic or basic property of a solution. They are natural indicators. China rose and turmeric are examples of natural indicator. One more, as I told you, litmus. Now, what is litmus? Litmus is a naturally occurring purple indicator which is extracted from lichens. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. Now, it is available in the form of solution or as strips of paper known as litmus paper. Red litmus paper turns blue, indicating a basic solution, and blue litmus paper turns red, indicating an acidic solution. Now, I show you the effect of the litmus paper with acidic or basic solution. Now I am going to show you the reaction of litmus paper with acid and base. So here I have some solutions. This is the tap water, vinegar, sugar solution, baking soda solution, and here lemon juice. And I have two types of litmus paper as I told you in previous videos. One is red litmus paper and second is blue litmus paper. So I am going to show you that effect of the blue litmus paper and red litmus paper with these solutions. So you have to decide whether this solution is acidic or basic. So one by one I am taking, first of all I am taking one red litmus, dipping in tap water. See, you can see no color change. Okay, now you will decide this solution is acidic or base. Same way I am dipping blue litmus paper in tap water. See, again no change, that also. Now vinegar. See, in vinegar also I am dipping blue litmus. See, it turns into red color. So you can decide this vinegar is acidic or base. In previous video I told you litmus will turn blue to red with acid. So you will decide vinegar is acidic or base. At the same way I am dipping red litmus paper in vinegar. See, again no color change. Don't forget to write in table about vinegar, is it acidic or base. Move further. Now next solution is sugar solution. Again I am dipping here red litmus, no color change as you can see. Now time to blue litmus paper. I am dipping in sugar solution. Again no color change. Again and again I am reminding you that note your answer whether the solution is acidic or basic in table. Next is baking soda solution. In baking soda solution I am dipping blue litmus paper. There is no color change in it. Now red litmus in baking soda solution. See, it turns in blue. Move further. Next is lemon juice. In lemon juice, reaction with red litmus paper. You can see nothing happened, no color change. At the same way, with blue litmus paper. See, again it color change into red. Okay, now at the end of this I will give you one table. You can note your answers in this table, whether this solution is acidic or base. Now students, time to fill your observation in this table. 5 solutions are given: tap water, baking soda solution, sugar solution, vinegar, lemon juice. Second column, effect on red litmus paper. Next, effect on blue litmus paper. And last is inference. Inference means you will write that solution is acidic or basic. If blue litmus paper turns red, it means solution is acidic, and if red litmus paper turn into blue, it means your solution is basic. So here you will write acidic or basic. So turmeric is a natural indicator. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Turmeric is also used as natural indicator. Turmeric is yellow in color. Turmeric paper turns into red when it is dipped into basic solution. Turmeric paper does not change its color with acid. You can prepare a card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with soap solution with the help of a cotton bud, and you will get a beautiful greeting card. Why so? Because soap contains sodium hydroxide, which is a base, and turmeric contains a mild acid. So when soap solution is added to the turmeric paste, it gives red color. Another natural indicator is China rose. So collect some China rose petals and place them in a beaker. Add some warm water. Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator. So add 5 drops of the indicator each of the solution, acid and base, and you can see the effects. China rose convert acidic solution to dark pink and basic solution to green color and has no color change for neutral solution. China rose is a natural indicator and is used to identify the acidic or basic nature of the solution. So students, I hope you understood. We'll meet you soon with the next topic of the chapter. Till then, you will write this table in your CW, write your observation in it. If you have any doubt, any query, you can write in comment box. We'll meet you soon. Thank you.